Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You've already got your comp ready, so start by selecting the layer you want to fade. Reveal its transform properties with the T key to access opacity immediately. This is faster than digging through menus. Once done, scrub the playhead where the change should begin. You want precise placement because opacity animations depend on timing. Make sure your layer isn't shy or guide-locked, and confirm composition frame rate so motion looks consistent when you animate opacity. Now animate. Click the stopwatch beside opacity to set your first keyframe at 100%. Move the playhead to where the fade should end and change opacity to 0 or 50%, creating a second keyframe. You can add intermediate keyframes for complex ramps. For natural motion, apply easy ease or tweak the speed graph to adjust acceleration. This changes how the opacity interpolates over time. Keep an eye on motion blur and layer stacking, because transparency interacts with blending modes and visual context. Finish by refining. Pre-compose layers when you want a single opacity control across many elements, and enable motion blur for smoother perception of change. If you're using effects that alter alpha, make sure their stacking order is correct so opacity affects the final output. If opacity jumps or snaps, inspect keyframe interpolation in the graph editor and remove accidental duplicate keyframes. Also check for expressions or layer parenting that may override values. One quick troubleshooting tip: solo the layer to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.